and welcome back to my channel and to a new video. I am carrying on with the autumn content today because, well, it's my favourite time of year, as you probably already know if you watch my channel regularly, and yeah, I think that we could all probably do with a little bit of warmth and coziness in our lives at the moment. The world is still pretty crazy out there, so the more happiness I can bring to you, then the better as far as I'm concerned. So I'm going to share with you my 5 top tips for cozying up this autumn. And before I do, I just wanted to talk to you about Mapiful, who have kindly collaborated with me on this video. If you have been following me for a while, you will know that I did a collaboration with them just a little while ago, and I ordered a map, a Florida map for our new picture shelves down in our living room. And this time I've gone for something slightly different. So when you order from Mapiful, you can choose one of 4 different types of print. So you can choose the classic Mapiful, which is the map, which is like the one I got before. You can choose a star one, so it's like a star constellation. A zodiac one, so I presume that's to do with your zodiac sign. I haven't really investigated that one. Or you can choose a text art print, which is what I did, because I wanted to do something that was quite personal to us and that I could put my own stamp on, if you like. And when you go in and do the text art, you can upload a picture of your own. There are some on the site you could choose, or you can do one of your own, and then you can choose the words that go into it, and you can choose the title and everything as well. So I've done that, and I'll show you what I got. You can order frames on Mapiful, or you can order your own, or they can come with a, no, I can't remember what this is called. It's like a, I'll show you anyway, it's like a clip at top and bottom that you can hang, and that's what I've got with mine at this time. So yeah, I'll show you what I've got. So hopefully you can see this beautiful print, and this is my daughter Phoebe. In case you don't follow me on Instagram, you may not know, she doesn't appear that often in the videos, much to her dislike. She'd prefer to be in all of them. So this is her. This is actually a picture that I took last summer, or the end of last summer, in a poppy field, and it's probably my most favourite picture that I have taken of Phoebe. She took a similar one of me, but this is definitely my favourite. So she's got her favourite little outfit on. There are poppies in the field. It's a field of corn and poppies and stuff. She's got flowers in her hair, and I just love it. So you take your photo that you've chosen and you upload it, and then you choose a text to run through the picture. So I don't know whether you'll be able to see. If I hold it up really close, you might just be able to see the text running through. And I chose find beauty in the small things, because I think that's what we've got to do at the moment, isn't it? Find beauty in every small moment. And that's one of my favourite little sayings. And then on the bottom just says, enjoy every moment, be brave, be kind, and be grateful. And we're actually going to hang that up in here in our bedroom, because we've actually got quite a lot of blank wall space in here. We've not really decorated this room, and I thought this might give us a starting point, because I think probably not yet, but after Christmas we'll start decorating some of the other rooms in the house, and I thought this would give us a starting point for that. And I think it's absolutely beautiful. So just thank you to the people at Mapiful for collaborating with me and sending me this beautiful print of Phoebe. I'm really, really chuffed with it. If you want to order your own print, you can do. I'll leave the link down below. Oh, that's just come off, but I can show you that that's the hanger that you get with it. So it's just on a magnet. It's really clever, and you just clip it together and clip it on. So really easy to hang. So yeah, if you want to order your own Mapiful print, you can do so by the link down below, and also they offer free shipping worldwide, which is pretty amazing, because these days shipping can be pretty expensive. So yeah, I encourage you to go on and perhaps create your own print from a very special memory, or maybe a gift for a friend. Great Christmas presents, and they're really good value too. So yeah, go ahead, check it out, and let me know how you get on. Right, so let's get into my 5 top tips for cozying up this autumn. First and foremost, I would recommend adding warmth into your home. So colours, yellows and burnt oranges and darker colours are great for creating a cozy atmosphere, adding cushions and blankets and different textures. If you watch my videos, you may have seen my autumn decorate with me. I did one last year and I've done one this year, and had seen the bits and pieces that we've got throughout our home. I tend to add to it each year, but textiles, like different textures, like I've added a warm furry rug to the front of our fire. I've added some warm orangey cushions to our living room, and I think with the trend at the moment that is generally everything grey, it really actually lends itself very well to adding colour for the different seasons. So generally our house is white and grey. Our carpets are grey, our sofas are grey, our walls are white, but our house doesn't lack colour, because every season I add in cushions and throws and things like that that bring warmth into the home. So yeah, my first top tip would be to add in little bits of decor and things to make it comfortable and warm and cosy. My second top tip would be to bring out your warm cosy jumpers. Got mine on today. Yeah, I have, if you watch my wardrobe swap over, you will see I have no end of warm cosy jumpers. I like all different colours. I've got a black thick hoodie that I got from Primark. This one I think is also Primark. They have a load in at the moment. I've got some burnt orangey ones. I got a really nice one which I wore in a recent video, which is like a burnt orange with white stars on, that I got from Shein. I got a lovely chunky knit grey cardigan with a hoodie and a big star on the back. Love stars. And that was from, where was that from? Silk Thread. So yeah, everywhere has them in at the moment, and I just think it's a really nice way to cozy up. You can put it with jeans, you can put it with dresses, you can put it with skirts. Chunky jumpers are just the way to go as far as I'm concerned. Tip number 3 is lighting and choosing warm, cosy lighting. So most of us probably have lamps around that we use in the evenings rather than using the big main ceiling lights, but also adding fairy lights. I have got some just up here, if you can see them. They are switched on, but it's light in here so you probably can't see it. But fairy lights are a great way, candles, just creating a cozy warm atmosphere with different lighting is a really, really good way of making your home feel nice and cozy and getting a really lovely atmosphere, especially in the evening. So my fourth tip is scent. So using different scents, warm autumnal scents within your home can really give a great atmosphere. I've got, I think it's an Airwick diffuser thing in the plug, you know, a plug-in diffuser right in our hallway as you come in the front door, and you open the door and it's this appley cinnamony scent, and it hits you the moment you walk in and it just smells divine. I would thoroughly recommend that one. I think it's like an Airwick one. It's one of their limited edition autumnal scents. Candles are obviously a great way to add beautiful scents into your home. We don't like candles, although I have lots of them, we don't like them that often. Andrew suffers a bit with his throat when I have candles lit. Depends on the candle, but I tend to like them in the kitchen during the day just to give it a nice atmosphere, and also to make it smell nice. Great after a meal to get rid of cooking smells. Candles are brilliant for that. But yeah, scents are great. Now, if you do have someone that struggles with candles, and I know my mother-in-law also struggles with candles and scents, then a natural scent is a great thing to do. You can do that by boiling a pan of water on the stove and adding to it all sorts of Christmassy, beautiful autumnal scents. So cinnamon, orange, star anise, all those sorts of things. Add them to a pan of boiling water and let it boil, and then once it's boiled you can let it sit on your stove for the day and simmer away, and it gives amazing natural scent into your house, and it can fill the whole home quite easily. So that's something I would recommend if you're not a candle person, or if you struggle, because I know some people are allergic to like the smoke and it gives them a sore throat. So yeah, that's a really good way to combat that. And my fifth and final and probably most important way of cozying up in the autumn winter is to get your favourite hot drink. So I think mine would be, if I was making it myself, then I think I would have a latte with the cinnamon roll syrup, the skinny syrup that I got from HomeSense. It is just delicious. We'll make that in our coffee machine, get one of those, cozy up by the fire and drink my favourite hot drink. It's great for a winter time. I love doing mulled wine, but also mulled cider. I know Aldi do a great mulled cider. It's just delicious. You could drink it like juice. You have to be careful because it is alcoholic, but equally you could do apple juice and heat that on the stove and add in a bit of cinnamon to it, some cinnamon sticks and things like that, which can make a really, really nice warm autumnal cozy drink if you don't drink tea, coffee and things like that. Or a hot chocolate, whipped cream, marshmallows, the lot, that would do too. So yeah, cozy drink by the fire, there's nothing better. And stick on a Christmas film as well, just to throw that in the mix. That would be great too, my idea of a perfect evening. So I hope you enjoyed this video and my 5 top tips for cozying up this autumn. Don't forget to check out Mapiful. I'll leave the link down below, and see if you can create a beautiful print for your home. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.